Hi, this is lesson 51, exercise 7, multiplication versus addition and subtraction. So today we're going to practice the skill of figuring out if a word problem requires multiplication or if it's an addition and subtraction problem. So I'm just going to break each of these problems down one at a time. If a sentence gives you a times, then it's a multiplication one. Otherwise, it is an addition and subtraction problem. All right, here we go. Problem A. Jim was 3 decades younger than Sheila. Jim was 3 decades younger than Sheila. Does this sentence have a times number? So when I snap, you're going to say yes or no. Does this sentence have a times number? No, the sentence does not have a times number. If it doesn't have a times number, is that an addition or multiplication sentence? When I snap, you're going to think or say the answer. Is it an addition or multiplication sentence? It is an addition sentence. So let's look back at it. We know it's addition. Jim was 3 decades younger than Sheila. All right. So what's our change number? Our change number is 3. Who is older, Jim or Sheila? Sheila's older. So Jim is going to be our small number and S will be our big number. Let's see what that would look like as a number family. There we go. 3, Jim, and Sheila. All right, let's try our next sentence. Here's our next number sentence. Problem B. The car was 7 times as heavy as the scooter. The car was 7 times as heavy as the scooter. All right, does this sentence have a times number? Yes or no? Does this sentence have a times number? Yes, it does. What is the times number in the sentence? So what's the times number in problem B? The times number is 7. The times number is 7. Since you have a times number, is this an addition sentence or a multiplication sentence? Because it has a times number, it is a multiplication sentence. All right, so we have the car was 7 times as heavy as the scooter. So what's our times number? Our times number is 7. What's going to be heavier, the scooter or the car? Which one is heavier? The car is heavier, so that's going to be our big number, and our other small number is going to be S. So let's take a look and see what that looks like. Excellent. So we have 7 as our times number. 7 times the scooter will tell us how heavy the car is. All right, now we're going to move on to question 3, problem C. Shoes cost 4 times as much as a hat. Shoes cost 4 times as much as a hat. What's the times number in that problem? Is there a times number in that problem, first off? Yes, there is a times number. The times number is 4. That's right, the times number is 4. Since we have a times number, is that an addition or multiplication sentence? Is that an addition or multiplication? It is a multiplication problem. That's right, it's a multiplication problem, which means we're going to draw our multiplication word family. What's our times number? Our times number is 4. And then what costs more, shoes or hat? Which one costs more, the shoes or the hat? The shoes cost more, so that's going to be our big number, and H is going to be our other small number. Let's take a look at that. There we go. 4 times H will give us S. Okay, we don't know what the numbers are, but we do know that this is how we would solve it if we had numbers. All right, here we go, another problem. A refrigerator was 20 pounds heavier than a stove. A refrigerator was 20 pounds heavier than a stove. Does this sentence have a times number? This sentence does not have a times number. So is this an addition or multiplication sentence? This sentence is a addition sentence, right? A refrigerator was 20 pounds heavier than a stove. So what's our heavier, lighter than number? Our heavier number is 20. All right. And what was heavier, the refrigerator or the stove? What was heavier? It was the refrigerator. So that's our big number. So when we write it out, we should write it out as a addition problem with a change number of 20. And the big number will be R and the other number will be S. Let's take a look. 20, S, and R. So remember, we're looking for times numbers. If we have a times number, it's a multiplication channel question. If it is a addition or subtraction problem, you will not have that times number. So let's try. That's where we're going to wrap up for this lesson today. And then on the Google Classroom, there is a short little quiz, just 5 questions. You're going to watch out for times numbers, and you're going to make sure that you are finding your change number and putting that in your number family. Hope everybody's doing well. We'll keep going with exercise 52 this week. Thank you.